In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Wise, formerly known as Transferwise customer support. Navigating customer support can sometimes be tricky, but I'll walk you through it step by step to make the process as smooth as possible. Whether you need assistance through the app or you have an urgent issue, I've got you covered, so let's get started. First, if you're using the Wise app or website, begin by logging into your Wise account. Once you've logged in, you'll want to tap on your profile. From there, look for the help or support section. This is where you can start your search for answers to your queries. Wise has a comprehensive help center, so it's likely you'll find the answer you need right there. However, if your issue remains unresolved, don't worry. You can then tap on the Contact Us option. Here, you will be presented with two options. You can either fill out an email form or start a live chat to get in touch with their support team. Now let's move on to handling more urgent issues such as a blocked account or anything that needs immediate attention. In such cases, it's best to give them a call. If you're in the United States, Wise offers a toll-free number which is +1 888 908 3833, and it's available 24/7, making it quite convenient. If you're based in the United Kingdom, you can reach them at +44 20 3322 1622. And if you're calling from elsewhere, the best way to find the right number is to visit the Wise Help Center, where local numbers for different regions are listed. Before you reach out, it's important to have your account details handy. This includes the email associated with your Wise account, the amount you're inquiring about, the date of the transaction, and the transaction ID. Having these details ready will help expedite the process and ensure your query is addressed promptly. Additionally, be prepared to verify your identity. This may require presenting an ID, confirming your phone number, or answering security questions. Verification is a standard procedure to ensure your account remains secure, so don't be surprised when they ask for this information. One thing to keep in mind is that Wise, like many modern companies, prioritizes digital channels. This means that there might be delays with phone calls and live chat due to high demand, so leveraging their digital resources whenever possible is always a good idea. And there you have it, a simple guide to contacting Wise customer support. With these steps, you should be able to effectively reach out and get the assistance you need. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide makes your next interaction with Wise support a bit easier.